Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are going to talk about low maintenance haircut ideas for older women. As we get older, many of us want hairstyles that look beautiful but are also easy to manage. A good low maintenance haircuts can save time, require less styling, and still help you look stylish and confident every day. Let's explore some wonderful haircut ideas. First, let's talk about the pixie cut. This is one of the easiest haircuts of care for. The hair is cut short, making it quick to wash and style. A pixie cut looks fresh, modern, and elegant. It is a great choice for women who want a simple and practical hairstyle. Another popular option is a classic bob. A bob haircut is timeless and works well for many face shapes. It can be worn straight or slightly wavy. Since the hair is shorter, it is easy to maintain and usually requires very little styling. The layered bob is also a favorite among older women. Layers add movement and volume to the hair. This is especially helpful for women with fine or thinning hair. The layers make the hair look fuller and more lively while still being easy to manage. A shoulder length layered cut is perfect for women who do not want very short hair. This style keeps some length while remaining simple to care for. The layers help reduce bulk and make styling easier. You can wear it naturally or quickly brush it into place. The soft shag haircut is another excellent choice. This haircut includes light layers throughout the hair, creating texture and volume. It gives a relaxed and modern look without requiring much effort. Many women love the soft shag because it looks good even with minimal styling. For women with naturally wavy hair, a medium length layered cut can be ideal. The layers help the waves fall naturally and beautifully. This style often looks great with little more length than a quick comb throughout. Let's also talk about short layered cuts. These haircuts are practical and stylish. The layers create shape and movement, helping the hair look fuller. They are easy to wash, dry, and maintain, making them perfect for busy lifestyle. If you like bangs, consider soft side skirt bangs. They are easy to manage and can add a youthful touch to your hairstyle. A textured crop is another low maintenance option. This short haircut has a soft, modern appearance and works especially well for fine hair. It adds volume and style without needing much daily attention. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.